Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the attached pronouns in Arabic, which are equivalent to my, your, our in English, okay, etc. Okay, so the first one is my. If you want to say like my name, for example, my, it's the attached pronoun e, like the ya, okay, and it's after the noun. So for example, here it's ismi, which means my name. The word ism means name, ism. So we added this ya, so ismi means my name. So e. So it's after the noun. So here your name or your, okay, singular, masculine if you're talking about a guy, to a guy, so it's ka. So for example, ismuka, your name, okay. If you're talking to a girl, ismuki, so ki, ismuki. If you're talking to a group of people, ismukum, your name, okay. And our name, it's na, ismuna, na. And their, like for example, their name, ismuhum, home, we add this home after the noun. And his is hu. So ismuhu. Her is ha, ismuha. Her name, ismuha. And these are the most used pronouns. Of course, there are other pronouns, the dual, if you're talking about two persons, and the plural, feminine. We are going, of course, to study them, but these are the most important ones. These four pronouns are less used because here this is the plural, feminine, if you're talking to a group of girls or women only, and here it's the dual if you're talking to two persons. It doesn't matter if they are guys or girls. And here it's plural, feminine if you're talking to about a group of women, so there, okay. And here it's the dual if you're talking about two persons. So here kunna, so ismu kunna means your name, but if you're talking to a group of women or girls, ismu kunna, and this exists in standard Arabic only, and it doesn't exist in any other, in any dialect. Here ismukuma, for example, ismukuma is kuma if you're talking to two persons, okay, kuma. And all of these four are not used in almost all the dialects, just in standard Arabic. Here there, if you're talking about a group of women, hunna, ismuhunna, their name, ismuhunna, hunna. And the last one is if you're talking about two persons, so ismuhuma, huma, if you're talking about two persons, and it doesn't matter if they are guys or girls. So these are the attached pronouns, and I hope this video has been useful to you. If you find our videos useful, you can subscribe and you can visit our website for more lessons. See you in future lessons.